Good girl. Come here. Yeah, okay. So for today's video guys, ay tuturo natin kay Luna kung paano magkuha ng ball at saka magbalik. Okay? So Luna, come on. Any toys. Come on Luna, come on Luna. Come on, come here. Luna, and pick a toys here. Yan. Pick a toys and bring it here. Yan, ganyan guys. Ang pagturo nito guys is sobrang easy lang. Kailangan meron kang pagkain. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin kay Luna, hold. Ibalik na. Come on, come here, come here. Put it back. Yes. Good job. Kailangan may pagkain kayo guys kasi importante ang pagkain sa training. Ang pagkain na ito ay isang dog food. Ayan. May dog food ako. So, any food that you can give to your dog. Okay? So, one more Luna. You pick a toys. Okay, come here. And give it to Nani. Yeah. And we have to put it back in the basket, okay? Put it back in the basket, okay? Okay, pick and put inside the basket. Let go. Yeah, that's good. Good job. Ganyan ang pagturo guys. Kailangan may pasensya ka at kailangan every day para hindi niya makalimutan. So, ganyan si Luna. Okay, Luna, turn. Yeah. Okay, appear. Yeah, that's all for today. Goodbye.